What are you putting in it?
The chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken on the egg?
Chicken, egg, and some corn. So this is actually their kind of traditional Chinese dish.
Oh, okay. What is it called?
Egg burger.
Say it again.
Egg burger.
Thai Potter?
Egg burger, yeah. There.
Oh, okay, okay. The final product will be like this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.